How to tell if your girlfriend's a psycho. She needs constant affection, obsesses over your every move, and has a collage of photos of you on her wall. Is she crazy about you or just plain crazy? You will need an open mind, friends you trust, and money for dinner. Step 1. Pay attention. A delusional person spends more time in a fantasy world than in reality. If your girlfriend talks incessantly about her celebrity crush, it may be a symptom of a more serious problem. An emotionally damaged person may resort to pining for the unattainable in order to keep themselves safe. Step 2. Does she obsess over her physical appearance to the extent that it's a problem? Self-image is one thing, narcissistic personality disorder is another. Step 3. Does she dress like she's single even when you're together? Either she's playing the field while you're still on it, or she's got major self-esteem issues. Officially consider it a bad thing if your girlfriend desperately needs the attention of every guy in the room on a regular basis. Women who suffer from the volatile condition known as histrionic personality disorder constantly seek attention, need frequent reassurance on their appearance, and behave and dress in a sexually seductive manner, especially at inappropriate times. Step 4. If she's blatantly flirting with other men in front of you, make it clear to her that you're not pleased. Subtly, if possible. This will send her the message that you refuse to be manipulated. Step 5. Ask your friends what they honestly think of your girl. Many times they can see flaws that you overlook. Step 6. If she continues to flirt with other men, even after you've expressed your displeasure, she's clearly testing you. Women who constantly play head games with their boyfriends are likely unstable and certainly insecure. Step 7. If she picks a fight about issues of no consequence, she probably has trouble misdirecting her anger. While this isn't abnormal in itself, if later she still fails to see that the fight wasn't really about the spilled drink, she's definitely got issues. Step 8. In the end, most guys will tell you that even the most lovable women in the world are just the tiniest bit crazy. When all is said and done, it's up to you to decide just how nuts is too nuts. Did you know? In 1987, the American Psychiatric Association deemed premenstrual syndrome a psychiatric disorder.